We'll guide you through how to download and install Dragon Block C in Minecraft. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. This mod adds so many different things into the game, so we'll guide you through step by step how you can go and get it. To go and get started, we're going to need to come and quit out of Minecraft, just like so. From your desktop, you need to go and open up a web browser of your choice. I'll go and use Google Chrome, it doesn't matter which you use though. And what we're going to do is go and type in Minecraft Dragon Block C, like so. And what we can do is go and get it from curseforge.com. So you can go and scroll down and we can go and read about it. We're going to need some dependencies. I'll guide you through that, don't worry. And you can go and read about it as well. There's some useful things. At the top, you want to press files. We can get the most up-to-date one, which is for 1.7.10, and it's for Forge. Press the three dots to the right and you can press download. Now go and wait, you'll go and see a countdown here. When this finishes, it should automatically go and download, as you can see. We can then press back. What we then need to do is come to the description, as some dependencies were required. So we can come down here and find them. First of all, we need GRM core. We can click on it and press files at the top. Make sure you get it for the right version. As you can see, this one here is for 1.7.10. So we can come to the right, press the three dots and press download. Once again, you need to go and wait for the countdown. After this is finished, which it now has, we can come back and we need to go and get the other dependency. So I'll just click back again and we need to get JBRA client. I'll go and click here. We can then go and press files at the top. And once again, we need to make sure we get it for 1.7.10. That's pretty simple, as they seem to all be there. But you can go and get the most up-to-date one, press the three dots to the right and press download file. Now the download is going to go and begin. As you can see, it shouldn't go and take too long, like that. Now what we need to do is go and get the mod loader. So what I'll do is just come back to Google, and then what we need to do is go and get Minecraft Forge. This will actually go and run the mod. So we can go and type in Minecraft Forge like so, and come to the site at the top here. We need to make sure we get it for the right version. So come to the left and scroll down, find 1.7, and then we've got 1.7.10. And what we can then do is go and press installer. It's important to note that Forge will go and have an ad wall here we have to watch before downloading it. If you see a press the download button here, this is for the ad. To go and get to Forge, you need to press skip in the top right, and now it's gone and downloaded. So we've now downloaded everything we need, but before we get any further, a big shout out to the sponsor of today's video, Apex Hosting. They're my go-to place for a Minecraft server, and at the moment you can get 25% off your first invoice. So I'll put a link down below in the description and pin comment, you can check them out. They've got so many great features. If we scroll down, we can start seeing them here. One-click install mod packs, DDoS protection, 24/7 servers and support, ultra latency, instant setup, and so much more as well. But now let's go and start the install process. So what we need to do is come to the bottom of the computer and we need to go and open up our file explorer and come to our downloads. So what we need to do is go and locate Forge for 1.7.10, go and double click on it like so. It should go and open up and look like this. If it doesn't go and open up, maybe something else happens or nothing happens, then this is because we need to go and get Java. So what you need to do is head back to your web browser and you can go straight to java.com. Or you can go and search for it and then come to it, press download Java for desktops and download it. Once it's downloaded, go and install it. And what you need to do is return to Forge and right click on it, hover over open with, and you can select Java. If you can't see in the list, press choose another app, then select Java and press always, and it should run. If it still doesn't, you may need to do something called a jar fix, which links jar and jar files together again. Once you've got it open, you can then select install client and press OK, and it's going to download and install, as you can see. After we've done that, we need to come and open up the Minecraft launcher like so. As you can see, there it is. Go to the right and press open installations folder like so. Then you need to go and scroll down and go and find the mods folder. Come into here. If you've got any other mods in there for different versions, they'll need to be deleted, otherwise they'll conflict. Then what we need to do is go and add in what we went and downloaded. So we went and downloaded Dragon Block and the dependencies. There should be 3 in total. You can go and add in others as long as they're for the same version. Now what we can do is go and close out of these folders and we can go and find Forge and we can press play to the right, confirm you're playing a modified version of the game, and we can press play. Now it's going to go and start. Be patient while it goes and launches. Here we are. You can go and click on mods and you can go and see what we've gone and added here. And now what we can do is we'll go and get into a world and I'll go and show you. So let's go and press create new world. I'll go and do this in creative just so I can show you the different aspects. And here we are, it's now successfully downloaded. So what you can do is go and read this through and you can read more at the site here as well. And you can go through this. To go and close it, you can go and press on escape. We can then go and press V like so, and we can then go and start creating our appearance here. So as you can see, there is these different things you can go and change, which is super cool. Then you can go and press next, and you can go and choose your power type here, go through and adjust it to your liking. And then what we can do is go and press next, and you can go through here and then go and press accept. And so now what we can do is we can go and start exploring and playing. You're going to notice the extra slots we've got here as well. And as you go and start exploring, you'll go and see different things. I've just gone and switched to creative mode to quickly go and do this. For example, we've got this here, which is really cool. And you're going to go and start noticing different mobs amongst many other things as well. And you're going to go and have a lot of fun. As you can see, here we go and have this here. And you can then go and right click on it. We can go and learn skills or go and ask for weight as well. So that's it. I hope you did find this guide useful and you have a lot of fun with this mod. I think it adds so much more to Minecraft. So if you found this useful and wish to see more, then please consider subscribing and liking the video. And if you're in need of a Minecraft server, make sure you go and check out the sponsor of today's video, Apex Hosting.